All right. The other day, I got this comment about pi equaling 3.14, but it's actually an infinite. It never stops, but we rounded down to 3.14, and it made me start thinking about some stuff that I was working on a while back, and that's what I'm going to show you. I guess it's pretty interesting. So, here, a long time ago, I had a video about how x equals Antichrist and x equals time. And, like, for example, 8 times 8 equals 64. So, x is time, x is also Antichrist. I have a whole bunch of videos on that where there's like people that were 55 years old and 59 in movies and whatnot, especially Willem Dafoe. He was even in a movie called Antichrist. Um, he played a character named X in one movie or whatever. But anyway, so Antichrist actually also equals 121, which would be 12, 21, and 37 is the 12th prime number, and 73, its mirror, is the 21st prime number. But anyway, and then you also had X rays, and an X ray you see inside yourself, and if you, like, Jesus died on the X, the cross, so like you raise the X or whatever, but he died on the cross, but then he came back to life, so he defeated time. And so we have pi that equals infinity, the eights are the infinity, and also x equals time. And it's really interesting. I made this video on May 5th of 2014, and I go back and I look at it and I say, after watching WrestleMania XXX, I realized there are a lot of eights connected to recent events. So, and then I talk about, if you search 888, you find that the number is supposed to represent Jesus. So, XXX 888. Even if you look at your keyboard, the number 8 is the asterisk symbol, and on every keyboard I've ever seen, I mean, you can draw an asterisk in different ways, but every keyboard, it's a triple X if you look at the asterisk on the number 8 on your keyboard. So then I took a look at X-rays again, just for the quick second here. This guy was the one who invented them. And the reason, like I said, X-rays, so on X-ray, you see inside yourself, and then, the kingdom of heaven is inside of you. But what's interesting here, as I go back and look at it, so this guy, I probably talked about how he died at age 77, but I've been doing the Space Jam stuff now for a month or so, and look at this. He was born in 1945, which is Michael Jordan's number, and he died in 1845, and he died in 1923, so 2345. And then let's see here. Oh yeah, X-rays are even made on November 8th, so 11/8/88. But it says in 2004, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry named element 111 Roentgenium, a radioactive element with multiple whatever. They named it after him. 111. September 11th is Jesus' birthday with 111 days left until the end of the year. Why? That's why they named element 111 after this guy, I think. That's crazy. Anyway, look at all these. I've seen these on a Zachary Hubbard video, but I just thought it was really interesting to what I was thinking about all of a sudden. But anyway, so Jesus adds up to 74. However you pronounce that adds up to 74. Joshua adds up to 74. Lucifer 74. Cross 74. Pisces, the Pisces fish, adds up to 74. Time adds up to the mirror of 74, 47. And then fish is 42. The secret to life or whatever. Anyway, Pisces fish is 116, which could be 66 or 9/11. And the Pisces fish has been talked about multiple times. Maybe not so much on here, but I've seen it on other people's videos, where it is the broken infinity. So the Jesus fish is actually like half of the infinity symbol. So because he broke time. He broke the loop, you know. Also wanted to point out 74 divided by 2 is 37. And half of Pisces is 37. And we see 37 and 73 all the time with 88s. So back to pi here. So pi, like I said, is infinity. 8 is infinity. So anyway, pi is rounded down to 3.14. 3.14 could be March 14th. And March 14th is the 73rd day of the year. Now if you take 8 times 3.14, so infinity times infinity basically, you get 25.12, which is 12/25 or Christmas Day. And other countries, they actually write the date backwards, so that's what I'm talking about. 12/25, Christmas Day. It's all about the false Christ. I mean, it's just insane here. Because Jesus was not actually born on Christmas. That is the false Christ. This is all this deals with, the false Christ. It's crazy. Anyway, so 3.14 divided by 2 equals 100 or 1.57. So, pi, whatever, the broken infinity, I guess, like, or half of infinity, the Pisces fish, right? 157. 157th day of the year, June 6th, 66. 157 is also the 37th prime number. Also, then, just to kind of finish it up here, so I talked about X equaling Antichrist before I even knew that Satan equals 55. And when I talked about X equaling Antichrist, I talked about it being with 55 and 59 constantly. And then I find out that Satan actually adds up to 55. I don't know, that kind of just, who knows? That's all I could say. I just thought that was really strange that I basically found it without even finding it, And just some things to think about. I don't really know where I'm really going with it. I was just thinking of stuff that had to do with crossing and time and whatnot. And I never talked about these before, but like when you double cross somebody, or like the two-timing bastard or whatever, they're just sayings that people say, and it makes you wonder what the true meaning actually really is. Like double crossing somebody, maybe, I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe making their life harder. Like you have to use 2 crosses so you can't escape it or something. I don't know. But just wanted to point them out there. Maybe other people could think about them. Think of other stuff. Even that would be awesome. Like I say, I honestly just make these videos so I can, get my thoughts out and, learn from other people. So who doesn't want to know truth? So, anyway, have a great day, and bye.